Welcome back to Open Air Living, your go-to destination for beautiful outdoor inspiration designed to elevate every inch of your space. Today, we're stepping into the charm of country garden patios, perfectly tailored for petite backyards that deserve just as much personality as larger landscapes. If you've ever thought your small yard limits your design options, think again. With the right touches, even the tiniest patio can become a cozy countryside escape filled with warmth, texture, and timeless appeal. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and drop a comment sharing your favorite idea. Let's start transforming your backyard into a charming retreat. Country garden style thrives on authenticity, and that begins with materials. Opt for weathered wood, natural stone, or rustic brick to create a grounded and inviting patio base that feels connected to nature. Even in a small backyard, layering textures like gravel pathways paired with wooden decking adds depth without overwhelming the space. These materials age beautifully, enhancing that lived-in countryside feel over time. The key is to keep things organic and imperfect. Slight irregularities in stone or reclaimed would bring character and warmth that polished finishes simply can't replicate. When space is limited, every piece of furniture should be both functional and stylish. Look for compact bistro sets, foldable chairs, or slim benches with a vintage or antique-inspired design. Wrought iron tables, distressed wood finishes, and soft pastel tones help reinforce that country garden charm while maintaining a light visual footprint. Multi-purpose pieces, like storage benches or stackable seating, allow you to maximize usability without cluttering your petite patio. Textiles instantly soften a small outdoor space and make it feel more intimate. Think floral cushions, gingham throws, and linen seat covers in muted, earthy tones. Adding a small outdoor rug can define your patio area and create a cozy, room-like feeling, even in a compact backyard. Choose patterns that evoke countryside charm without overwhelming the space. Mix and match fabrics to create a relaxed, layered look. The goal is comfort and warmth, inviting you to sit down and stay a while. In petite backyards, vertical space is your best friend. Use trellises, wall planters, or hanging baskets to bring greenery upward instead of outward. Climbing roses, ivy, or jasmine can transform a plain wall into a lush, fragrant backdrop that enhances the country garden aesthetic beautifully. Vertical gardening not only saves space but also adds depth and dimension, making your patio feel more expansive and alive. Small details make a big difference in country garden design. Incorporate vintage watering cans, ceramic pots, lanterns, or even repurpose crates for a touch of rustic charm. These accents tell a story and give your patio personality. Even a tiny corner can feel curated and special with thoughtfully chosen decor. Keep it balanced. Too many items can overwhelm a small space. Select a few meaningful pieces that complement your overall theme. Lighting transforms your patio from daytime charm to evening magic. String lights, solar lanterns, or small candle arrangements add a soft, welcoming glow. In a petite backyard, gentle lighting helps create intimacy without taking up valuable space. Draping lights overhead or along fences enhances the cozy countryside vibe. Warm lighting also highlights textures and greenery, making your patio feel like a serene retreat after sunset. Creating a country garden patio in a petite backyard is all about embracing charm, comfort, and creativity. With thoughtful choices and a focus on warmth, even the smallest space can feel like a countryside haven. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your outdoor corner into something truly special, where every detail invites relaxation and joy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're styling your own garden patio. See you in the next open air living episode.